Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and we're going to be talking about how you can actually start your Shopify dropshipping business. Now this video is for everyone that is thinking about getting into this particular industry, this niche, this market, and you need to understand some certain elements before you start dropshipping. And one of them is the fact that how can you make a successful business while you're doing Shopify and using Shopify and harnessing the power of Shopify. So if this is something that you want to do, then this is definitely the video for you guys. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not miss any of the videos that we're making, because we're going to be providing you with the tips and the tricks and the correct strategies that you would require to build a business on Shopify. This is the global commerce platform, guys, and you can build your business with Shopify to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. And obviously right now you can find out millions of entrepreneurs who have chosen Shopify to build their business from zero. Millions of merchants right now are globally working on Shopify, drop shipping on Shopify, and why and how are they doing it is what we're going to discuss in this video. Now, one of the factors that I personally believe is crucial for anyone to understand before they get into the industry is the correct strategy that they need to have. And obviously with millions of merchants worldwide, it gives us an opportunity to study and research and analyze what they've done. We can look at the good and understand where they went wrong, and obviously learn from their mistakes so we don't make those mistakes. And obviously with Shopify you have representation of 170 countries, meaning you can work globally and work locally and think locally and act locally. And obviously from the comfort of your home you can achieve a lot of things. With a total 10% of the US e-commerce on Shopify, this is a massive number that can give us an opportunity of a lifetime and a global economical activity of $444 billion. That is massive, guys. And obviously if we can get a piece of that cake, that will ensure that we would be making a lot of money at the end of the day. Now, if you're looking at creators, developers, partners, and so many other factors, this is the right place for you, because you can build an online presence, you can build your store, you can have your store the way you want, and you can bring your vision to life with their drag and drop store creator. And obviously you don't need any expertise whatsoever. You can select from and customize templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. And the best thing, which I personally feel, is their Shopify app store. Now, the thing over here that I feel that needs to be mentioned and clarified is the amount of support that you get with Shopify is unprecedented. And the reason for this is because they understand exactly what the needs, what the wants, what the requirements of an individual is that is thinking about dropshipping. And when you combine all those elements together, you're able to select and create a business that is truly unique. And obviously, if you want to get into this industry, you need to understand the different aspects of how you're going to sell. If you want to sell online, in person, around the world, with the marketing tools that are being provided with Shopify and the social integration that are given to you, you can really enhance your business. And obviously, guys, at the end of the day, the main purpose of doing business is to make money. And how can you make money from scratch is by simply getting more leads, engaging with more customers, and building on the data that you get. And obviously, when you have all those elements together, you can oversee your operations, you can fulfill your orders, and you can manage your money where you make it. It is truly as simple and straightforward as that. Now, if you don't have an account on Shopify, guys, don't worry, because if you click on the link below in the description, you will find that you'll be able to start your own Shopify for 90 days. So go ahead and do that if you haven't already done it. And obviously now we're going to head over to the very important part of our video, where we talk about the essence of finding the right products and understanding the dynamics and the strategy that you would need to require to ensure that you can start a successful dropshipping business using Shopify. And the first thing that you need to do is head over to YouTube. And once you reach on YouTube, what you need to do is think at a very global level and think about a particular methodology, a particular product, a particular service, something that you would want to do or get involved with. It could be electronics, it could be apparels, it could be anything and everything. But the main element that you need to focus on is understanding what you need to do, and obviously researching what you need to do, and obviously giving a full grasp of the actual market that you want to enter and start drop shipping in. So we're going to go with phone covers. Now, phone covers, I believe, are one of the most important things when you talk about electronics and mobile phone, because everyone that has a mobile phone wants to protect their mobile phones. And how to best protect your phone is to get an amazing phone case for it to make sure that your phone is always protected. Now, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see a lot of interesting elements over here. For example, if you look at the studio blog over here, this has got 21,000 views in the past 1 year. If you look below that, this individuals have got 293,000 views in 1 year. So we're going to open this over here. This is making phone case cases for small businesses. Now, we already know for a fact that this is an individual that has gotten 293,000 views on his videos. She only has 2,800 subscribers. So we're going to click on her page. We're going to go over to her channel. Obviously, once we get to her channel, we're going to check and go to the About Us over here. And once we do that, we will see for a fact that this individual has gotten a lot of views in creating this particular product. 296,000 views. These are individuals that have watched this particular product, have watched this particular channel, has watched this particular content creator, and you can get her email address from here. So what do you do with that? It's very simple, guys. You head over to AliExpress. Now, we know for a fact that the product that we want to get is very interesting. It is a phone case. So we're going to put phone cases over here again and then see what comes up. Now, the main element of dropshipping business is finding the right product at the right price. The lower the price, the higher the profit margin is going to be. And when you can increase your profit margin, that is where the true business comes into existence. And when you can do that, you'll be able to create for yourself a unique opportunity, an opportunity that will break away from the 9 to 5 and give you the financial freedom that you always wanted. And that is truly the reason why a lot of individuals right now are turning to this particular methodology. As you search for phone cases, this is the landing page that we're going to get. Now, we can see for a fact there's a lot of traffic when we're talking about phone cases, which was visible on the YouTube where we started our research from. Now, we can see this product that's available for $12.76, and obviously 1,409 have been sold already. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the different cases that is available and the amount that they've sold. This product has been sold 4,213 times for $3.84. This product has been sold for 47,594 times for $1. That means this individual has made $47,594 just off one product, and you could do that as well. You could actually end up making at least $296,000 just from this one product over here, because we've already seen for a fact that this is a product that people are interested in. This is a product people want to buy. Now, once we have selected the AliExpress and we found this particular product, what we need to do is head over to Alibaba. And once we head over to Alibaba, we're going to look for the same element over here. And obviously our main essence over here is to find the most reasonable price product as low as possible so we can increase our profit margin. Now, Alibaba.com is a very interesting website, guys. It is not like AliExpress. What Alibaba does is that it cuts out the middleman and goes directly to the suppliers and to the manufacturers. And in essence, what happens with that is that you can get the product directly from the source. And if you get the product directly from the source, then you would be able to increase your profit margin. Now, as you can see, the product is available, the phone case is available, and what we're going to do now is going to find this product at the cheapest price available. This product right now, as you can see, is worth 38 cents to 40 cents, and we can easily get this product at a very reasonable price, and then we can always sell it for a higher price and make a massive profit from there. You can also head over to cjdropshipping.com where you can select the right product over here and make a lot of money off it. Now, phone cases literally is the easiest thing that you can invest in, is the easiest product that you can scale, and is the easiest project that people are going to be interested in. So there's a no-brainer over here. And once you found the product easily on CJ Dropshipping, once you found the product on Alibaba.com, and once you found the product on AliExpress, all you need to do is create an account on Shopify. If you don't have an account, guys, don't worry. Click in the description below and get the Shopify account for 90 days. And then drop an email to Ava over here and hundreds and thousands of different content creators right now that are talking about phone cases. And obviously, once you communicate with them, you can always start a element of drop shipping with them. And obviously, whenever they're talking about phone cases, they'll put the link to your Shopify account. And when anyone ends up over there and buys that particular product, you can always split the profit from them. It is as simple, straightforward, and easy as that, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will be more than happy to answer them, to support you, to guide you, and to assist you. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out the right way and the right strategy to start dropshipping using Shopify. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.